Hi, my name is Jamero Blue, and today I'll be talking to you about basic to statistical techniques. Today's date is September 11th, 2016, and this is homework assignment 2 for my Management Statistics course 239. Today I'm going to tell you about frequency tables, frequency distribution, bar charts, and pie charts. This is my real estate data provided from the course resources. I'm going to refer back to this data a couple of times throughout my presentation and use it as an example as to how to use the information to create a pie chart, a bar chart, and a frequency table. What is a frequency table? A frequency table is a grouping of qualitative data into mutually exclusive classes showing the number of observations in each class. For example, the real estate data shows the price of a house, the amount of bedrooms, if it has a pool, how many garage spaces, and how many baths. This is my frequency table example. With this example, the real estate data shows the price of the house and the amount of bedrooms. It also shows the cumulative amount of data. Relative frequency distribution. Frequency distribution is a mathematical function showing the number of instances in which a variable takes each of its possible values. To find the relative frequency distribution, we have to divide each of the class frequencies by the total number of observations. For example, if you refer back to the data I provided about the real estate, and if we wanted to find the frequency of bathrooms in a house, we would divide the number of baths in the house we are focused on by the total number of bathrooms from all houses. So if a house has 4 bedrooms, we would divide 4 by the number total of bedrooms from all houses. Say that number is 168. We would do 4 divided by 168 to find the relative frequency distribution. Bar charts. A bar chart is the most common graphic form to present a qualitative variable. A bar chart is defined as a graph that shows qualitative classes on the horizontal axis, also the class frequencies on the vertical axis. The class frequencies are proportional to the heights of the bars. This is my bar chart example. In this example, using real estate data, it shows the size of the house. I have labels on both the Y and X axes, which are house number and the number of square feet per each house. A pie chart. A pie chart is another useful way to describe qualitative information. A pie chart is defined as a chart that shows the proportion or percentage that each class represents of the total number of frequencies. For example, we could use the real estate data to create a pie chart by displaying what percentages of the houses are 1 bedroom, what percentages are 2 bedroom, what percentages are 3 bedroom, and etc. So with that being said, a house, the number of 4 bedroom houses may be 60% of the data that we have. The number of 3 bedroom houses may be 30%, and the number of 2 bedroom and 1 bedrooms may combine for another 10%. The sources I use for my information is the statistics textbook. To summarize this up, a frequency table is a grouping of qualitative data into mutually exclusive classes showing the number of observations in each class. A relative frequency table shows the fraction of the number of frequencies in each class. A bar chart is a graphic representation of a frequency table, and also a pie chart shows the proportion of each distinct class represents of total number of frequencies. Lastly, a frequency distribution is a grouping of data into mutually exclusive classes showing the number of observations in each class. The steps to constructing a frequency distribution are: first, you must decide the number of classes, then you must determine the class interval, then you must set the individual class limits. Fourth, you must tally the raw data into classes. Lastly, you must count the number of tallies in each class. Thank you for watching my video.